You may have seen a lot of home improvement shows that make it seem possible to renovate your entire home in a week. But TV is not real life, and for your own renovation, you need to allow time, not only plan and execute each step thoroughly, but also to address that unexpected. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mishra, and today's video we will talk about mistake to avoid during renovations. First of all, it's an investment, so it needs careful planning. There is also the tricky task of managing designers, architects, contractors, and other workers. As the saying goes, stuff happens. Things can go wrong when going through a renovation project. So before you start your renovation, watch this video to avoid costly mistakes. It is important to consider the time of year you want to renovate. Starting a few weeks before major holidays is not a good idea. Most people want to spend time with their families during the holiday, so you may have very few people working on the renovation during this time. What will the weather be like? Rain or winter could slow down your project and increase your renovation cost. How many subcontractors will be needed, and when things can slow down if a subcontractor is available or not. If you are into home improvement shows, please remember that they only show a small portion of the project. Similarly, you may want to shop for tiles or lights online, but there is a big difference between choosing things you like and choosing items that will perform properly. Enlisting a professional designer to guide your choice could cost between 5 and 20% of your total budget, but it's worth it to make sure you are getting good quality design and that all the elements will truly function together. Do your homework and interview multiple contractors and designers. They may have good working relationship with people they can recommend it to you. But you should meet everyone in person and talk to at least 3 to 5 people before committing. Listen to your gut. If you feel like that initial meeting seems overly rushed or that they were rude, those feelings are only going to multiply during a renovation. Move on. It's human nature to always look for the least expensive product or service. But when it comes to home renovation, cheapest is not always the best. It's important to have a thorough written plan before you start work. The plan should include precise details down to every single product with the model number and choice of finish. And once you have the plan, stick to it. Even minor changes can drive up the cost and push back the timeline. Not investing in rooms that are the heart of your home, such as the living room or the kitchen, is a grave mistake. You must prioritize such rooms and ensure they are functional and up to date. And then focus on the bedroom or kitchen design. Once you remodel the most used room, you can move on to the other spaces. If you are on a limited budget, you may want to forego investing in some of the items that can really add up. This includes such fixtures in bathroom renovation such as heated towel racks, self-flushing toilet and other fancy fixtures, or a kitchen renovation with high-end appliances. Consider what you really need and what you can leave out and look for the alternatives. Doors create the first impression. The first impression of your house is your door. If your existing door is in good condition, then you should repaint it to give it a fresh new look. Sample your paint. Sample actual paint colors on your walls when looking at options. Observe them in natural light, morning light, and at night. What might work at your friend's home might not work at yours. The outside surroundings strongly affect the quality of the light. Where exactly to start from? For any room, I suggest that you begin from the floor. Thinking about your floor first will dictate how other pieces are layered in the space. Starting with sofa or upholstered chair, limit your style immediately. When remodeling your house, install large windows. If you do not have the budget to change your windows, paint them a shade lighter than the rest of the room to maximize the light coming through them. If you don't like the way things are going with your renovation, it's up to you to speak up. Only you know what you want, and only you will be disappointed if you don't get it. Homeowners who do not speak up won't feel satisfied, which make their home's latest renovation a waste of money. Do you have experience with renovation mistakes? Do you have any tips that we missed? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching Design by Misha. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload my new videos. Make sure you watch my videos on bedroom design tips and kitchen design. See ya and take care till we meet next time.